What are you doing? You're in the middle of the road, dude. What the fuck? Jackass! Jesus Christ!
Get off the road, you old boy.
If you can't drive, then don't. My God. Fuck!
Bro, you should have fucking hit him and then got insurance.
What are you doing? Good job! That was illegal.
I don't think I've ever found like a show where you could just. There's like
this guy's coming in. Fuck me.
Whoa.
Oh my God. Yes. Yes. And fuck yeah. That's amazing. That is amazing. Because he said, well, because I'm sending you, like, you're gonna go through, aren't you?
That was sick.
What?
Jesus.
Oh my God. Oh. Oh, Jesus Christ. Who is fucking. Oh, shit. I didn't know they were. Yep.
I'll talk about this again. I don't think it's good.
No, I don't think they're. I talked to them. No, they're not. They don't want to. No, they're not. Well, you undertaking me, my dude. I think it's just relax. Relax, my dude. I feel like he's gonna just. Okay. Yeah, he's gonna go.
Oh. Fuck, man.
Yeah, he
Huh?
is. Yeah, he is. That's what I thought was gonna happen.
This was like grade 4.
I remember seeing someone like they stop. I could tell they're in a rush because they're just inching up. They were like straight way past the line. They're like in the crossroad. Record that.
Yeah, so when I watch it back, all I'm gonna hear is turtle sounds.
Oh, that's why. Oh. Fuck.
What a fucking idiot.
Hey, I'm surprised you didn't go straight through that. I did.
Pavement
yeah.
end. Oh fuck. Oh shit. I look at the sign, I'm like, pavement ends, and then okay, I don't care that much. I do not care that much to do that. Forget it. That's funny.
Lots to go, turn on traction control.
I'm not turning. Wait, should I turn it? Should I go straight?
I don't know where it is.
It's on the. It's all the way back.
Well, I'm gonna go straight. I'm gonna go around to the movie.
It's right there. That's yeah. Okay, park where this is. Yo,
What in the actual fuck are you
He's a
doing?
Chevy driver.
Like as they're shooting, you just run towards them.
Just go. I don't think your wheel is supposed to face that way.
Watch out, construction on road ahead.
Thanks. You're doing a good job. Fucking hell! Holy shit!
Oh, 'cause they will run you down to the door. Yeah, someday
go.
they'll run you down to the
What are you
door.
doing?
And they
What the
will
fuck are
run
you doing, dude?
down to your core.
What?
You can't go no more. And we're down.
What the fuck is this guy doing? Are you fucking looking, lady? Cross the street! Fuck! Oh my god! Oh, for the love of Jesus! What are you okay? In Golden State, but like, I also don't want it to go to Game 7 because that's just risky. Okay, you're just gonna go through the stop sign. Like, don't even stop, man. An intern should be usually just come in. Are you turning here? Are you fucking serious, man? You're
No
fucking
way.
idiot. You can't turn here, man. I gotta fucking retarded. Oh, you go, lady. Jesus Christ. You're fucking stupid. Honestly. Jesus Christ. Oh, fuck. Oh, no. Oh, no. No.
Yeah, it was a big crash. It was actually pretty bad.
Oh, fuck. Oh, I just murdered that thing.
Oh, it's not dead. It's still alive.
Is it still alive?
I don't know anymore. Did you hit it with your car?
Aggie, did you hit it?
Anymore. Mine just walked away.
Aggie, did you? Hold on, wait.
That dude was like, he was not doing well, Austin. He was like, he he was like spasming from his bones shattering.
Dude,
in
I
the front of your
couldn't
Focus.
fucking see him until it was too late. I hit him with my rear tire, I'm pretty sure.
Oh,
Yeah, you ran over his head with your rear tire.
His head? His head? I thought I got his hand or something.
Austin, if it was his Austin, if that was his hand, he would not be twitching on the floor like that.
Oh fuck.
You're dead.